The whole world has been keenly following the Mahakumbh in Prayagraj, either by personally undertaking the spiritual journey or by following the colors and spiritual fervor through stories of those who are taking the holy dip in Prayagraj. However, earlier today, a massive tragedy struck Mahakumbh after a massive congregation of pilgrims set off a stampede as they gathered in large numbers for the Shahi Snan on Mauni Amavasya. Several devotees are feared dead, at least 30 have sustained injuries and are undergoing treatment, with the Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath personally monitoring the situation. The Prime Minister has also been in constant touch with the CM. He's dialed the CM at least 4 times so far. But there's a reason, viewers, why Mahakumbh is being spoken of so widely, not just in India, across the world. The 12-year cycle of Mahakumbh is linked to the orbital period of Jupiter, which takes approximately 12 years to complete one revolution around the sun. The celestial phenomena underpins the periodicity of the festival, making each Mahakumbh a rare and spiritually significant occasion. And we're saying this because that's exactly what explains the endless turnout of devotees in Prayagraj this year. But first, let's get you details of what happened in the wee hours today. Very concerning. This was a devastating stampede that occurred at the Mahakumbh on Mauni Amavasya, which has claimed several lives. Reports indicate that a stampede-like situation arose at around 2 p.m. Look at the crowds really gathered in Prayagraj early in the morning, 2 a.m. Large number of devotees flooded the banks of Sangam to take the holy dip at Triveni Sangam. The crowd, eager to reach to the water, reportedly broke through barriers, which is what caused these kind of scenes. Sudden surge that led to panic, chaos, as a result of which at least 30 people sustained serious injuries and some are feared dead as well. Look at those crowds and you see the barricades being crossed over, broken through. Following this, emergency vehicles quickly responded to the situation and injured were rushed to the nearby hospitals for treatment. You see the police personnel carrying some of those who'd sustained injuries. This was about 2:30 a.m. earlier today. Medical teams, ambulances, disaster response units were quickly deployed to the scene, treating the injured on site and transporting the others who were in need of medical attention through ambulances. Now, by 3 a.m., which is an hour into the stampede, rescue operations were in full swing and we saw these visuals of some of those people being taken to medical facilities via the aerial route as well. And those are some of the scenes in the aftermath of the stampede-like situation. The security personnel deployed there still trying hard to bring the situation under control. At 4 a.m., in the aftermath of the tragic stampede at Mahakumbh Mela, the Akhadas, which are the religious sects that play a central role in the event, they paused the Amrit Snan to allow authorities to focus on ongoing rescue operations and to prioritize managing the crisis at hand, which is the huge number of devotees that were wanting to go to Triveni Sangam for the holy dip on this auspicious day. Cut to 11 a.m. Following a brief pause in the wake of the stampede, the Amrit Snan resumed at Mahakumbh. The Akhadas, who had temporarily halted the ritual out of respect for the ongoing rescue efforts, decided to proceed with the sacred bath at Triveni Sangam once the situation had been relatively brought under control, but this of course in fewer numbers. So a fewer numbers of some of these priests were finally seen making their way to Triveni Sangam to ensure that no overcrowding takes place. Now remember, a large number of pilgrims turned up for this holy bath in Mahakumbh on Mauni Amavasya, as it holds immense spiritual and cultural significance in Hinduism, viewers, particularly during the Mahakumbh Mela. Mauni Amavasya is considered one of the most spiritually significant days in Hinduism. This year, a rare celestial alignment called Triveni Yoga is occurring after 144 years, amplifying the spiritual significance of the day. So that's why today in particular was so significant for the devotees in Prayagraj. The day is dedicated to ancestors. That's the tribute the devotees pay. It's also believed that bathing in the sacred Sangam on this day brings virtue and salvation. With the ongoing Mahakumbh Mela in Prayagraj, the occasion has drawn an even larger crowd than usual. The Mauni Amavasya Amrit Snan is the second of the 4 major bathing dates of the Mela, and it is expected to witness up to 10 crore devotees by the end of the evening. We'll talk about the significance of this day, but it's important to get you a sense of what's happening as we speak at Mahakumbh in Prayagraj. Amit Ganju, my colleague, joins us with more details. Amit, सबसे पहले जानकारी दीजिए कितनी संभली हुई है स्थिति वहाँ पे और क्या चल रहा है अभी?
You see, I would like to tell you it has taken place round about somewhere in late night. It might be 1 o'clock somewhere, and it was some nearby the nose of the Sangam, where there was a barricading, and the people and the devotees who were from entire corner of, from every corner of India, were here last night, and they were being informed that this Brahma Muhurat has been started out. You can take an holy dip, but still they didn't feel good to move from that place. And then the crowd started entering out, and the devotees and the seekers start gathering. And within 15-20 minutes, what had taken place, there was a subway, and in and out, exit and in. And in the both sides, it has started with printings and premises out. So there was a stampede, and they broke down all the barricadings. And then in the time as the information reached to the Kumbh Mela committee, and they had arranged all the things, especially 23 ambulance was being sent on spot within 18 to 19 minutes, and they were rushed to the hospital and all. Now, after it, there was the priority of management priority of the Mela Samiti was how to make the things in a normal, and they had done within half an hour, 40 or 45 minutes. It had taken almost 45 minutes to make it a normalizer. And after it, there was the tight and heavy security in that area from sector 1 to sector 19, and from pool 1 to pool 23, and 3 pools were being totally been vacated from that side. So it was only for the emergency vehicles and for the ambulance and for medical. And apart from it, at that time at 1 o'clock, everything was being normal. And after it, now I would like to tell you, you can still see the devotees and the seekers are still here. If we talk about the who had taken a holy dip, it has crossed the number of 6 CR, that is 6 crore, and from it was second Amrit Shnan. And so I would like to, Maharaj ji, गदा वदा लेके ये फरसा लेके कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
देखिए, मैं आप न्यूज 18 को बहुत बहुत साधुवाद पत्रकार बंधुओं को। मैं अखिल भारतीय ब्राह्मण महासभा के परशुराम सेना का जिला अध्यक्ष। परसू लेके चलते हैं, इसलिए लोग प्रेम से फरसा बाबा लोग कहते हैं।
आपने डुबकी लगाई?
हाँ हाँ,
डुबकी लगाई। सर आप बताइए, आप कहाँ से और आपने डुबकी
हम
लगाई?
कानपुर से आए हैं और परसों से यहाँ पर 3 दिन से लगातार स्नान कर रहे हैं और कल्पवास कर रहे हैं।
कल्पवास कर रहे हैं। आप दूसरा अमृत स्नान करें या तीसरा भी, अगर आपको मालूम है बसंत पंचमी पे, वो भी स्नान करेंगे?
नहीं, अब हमारा कल जाने का यहाँ से ना प्रोग्राम निश्चित था, वो जा रहे हैं।
प्लीज आगे आइए। हो गया, आपने डुबकी लगाई?
हाँ,
आप संतुष्ट हैं यहाँ के?
हाँ, संतुष्ट है।
मैम आप इस तरफ, आप प्लीज इस तरफ आइए। मैम आप लोग कहाँ से आए हैं?
हम लोग इलाहाबाद से ही हैं।
इलाहाबाद से। कैसा लगा कि इस बार के कुंभ का खास क्या?
बहुत अच्छा, खास की एकता हुई, बाहर से बहुत जगह से लोग आए, हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा। एकता देखकर बहुत प्रसन्नता हुई।
अगर प्रसन्नता हो तो हर गंगे सबको बोलना पड़ेगा।
मैं कल्याणी से आ रहा हूँ, तो अच्छा लग रहा है। अरे खूब अच्छा, मैं डूब दिया हूँ।
डुबकी लिए हैं? कहाँ से हैं आप?
कल्याणी से।
सर आप इधर आइए प्लीज।
सर महाराष्ट्र से है, और आज अमावस्या है, हमें पता भी नहीं था। हम तो सोच के चले थे कि 20 किलोमीटर पैदल चलना है, पर हमारा गाड़ी 5 किलोमीटर पार किया, और हम बहुत खुश है प्रशासन की वजह से, और जो भी यहाँ पे व्यवस्था की गई। एक पानी की वाटर का मतलब रहता है ना, कांच का, सॉरी प्लास्टिक एक भी रोड पे दिख नहीं रहा है। मीन्स इन्होंने बॉटल भी नहीं रखा है, सबके लिए सेम पानी रखा है। हम तो बहुत संतुष्ट है। महाराष्ट्र नांदेड़ से आए, थैंक यू।
चलिए सर आप बताइए प्लीज।
मैं जर्मनी से आया हूँ यहाँ पर, मेरे को 4 दिन हो गए हैं। ऐसी व्यवस्था मैंने आज तक नहीं देखी है, सही बता रहा हूँ। मैं योगी जी और मोदी जी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ। उन्हें जो व्यवस्था करी, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई। यहाँ पर मैं अराल घाट में मैंने स्नान किया। ये मेरा ब्रदर है, ये मेरे फ्रेंड आए हुए हैं, और हमारे साथ अजमेर से भी आए हुए। कहाँ विमल जी? विमल
सर आप बताइए, कोई आपका रिएक्शन?
बहुत अच्छा लगा।
अच्छा लगा।
असम से आया है।
हाँ।
और जोगी हो जाना बहुत अच्छा है।
गंगा मैया के लिए कुछ कहेंगे?
गंगा मैया की, गंगा मैया की, गंगा मैया की
जय। चलिए बताइए प्लीज, आप बताइए सर। आप
बहुत अच्छा लगा, यहाँ की व्यवस्था भी बहुत अच्छी थी। मैं 3 दिन से यहाँ हूँ, बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है।
अच्छा, you can see all the please.
Yes, the arrangements are amazing. It's been a wonderful journey. It's the 3rd time I took a dip. Happy. It's very unfortunate to hear about the stampede, but believe me, it's only because of the people's anger or anxiety to do that. But if you just talk about the kind of arrangement that has gone in here, we're talking of about 6 crore people. Arranging that is an immense kind of arrangement that's required between the kind of police, people, every person here who's been very cooperative and helpful. Love to be thankful for the government here, center and the state.
Sir, what do you like? What is your reaction, being an intellectual, being a devotee? What are the arrangements you have seen? And still, you can see the more than 5 to 10 lakh people are still here.
Absolutely. So this morning I had the Shahi Snan or the Amrit Snan, but I still wanted to do the again Triveni Sangam Snan. Even this time it was not available, but speaking to the right people, they've done the right arrangements, and happy that even after all this kind of a crowd, this is why it is unity in diversity, India. So thank you so much.
I will take a 30 seconds more. ये क्या बजाने लगे बताइए, क्या बजाते हैं, कैसे बताइए।
मैं अभी लिया हूँ,
हाँ,
ये 50 रुपए का है और
भगवान का बता दीजिए, कोई रेट नहीं मैंने पूछा।
हाँ जी, तो ये होगा ऐसे बजाते जाते हैं और चल जाते हैं।
You can see the happiness on the face of those devotees have come from entire.
want to thank Yogi ji.
Like one can see they are really feeling grateful that thanks to Yogi ji,
Going by
thanks
these
to Modi ji, and all
voices,
the
one
time.
can't tell that there was a stampede-like situation, you know, wherein some are feared dead. Those who've sustained serious injuries are currently undergoing treatment. You know, because you do see how Mauni Amavasya's mystical power has pulled so many people, and we've heard from some of them there. So millions in Prayagraj as we speak. But do tell us a little bit about the status of those who sustained injuries, and what about the figures? Have sources been able to convey the number of people who've unfortunately lost their lives to the stampede in the wee hours today?
I would like to tell you, actually, this incident had taken some 12 or 16 years back. And those who are under treatment are under observation of the doctors team at CMO, Deputy CMO, and 16 doctors are taking care of 27 those who are injured. And those who have lost their life, the figure is not being yet disclosed, and there's no official figure being given by the Deputy CMO or CMO. But the people who are here, the devotees who are here, are so happy to see the arrangement. Though it is something they are feeling also bad what has taken place yesterday night or a late night, and they are saying it is something we pray God for the departed soul. But arrangements are very good, and we are just waiting for another Amrit Snan so that we can take a holy dip there. मैम प्लीज आप बताइए, कुछ कह रही थी आप?
हाँ, मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ, हमारे मोदी जी जैसा कोई भी प्रधानमंत्री आज तक नहीं हुआ है हमारे हिंदुस्तान में। योगी और मोदी जैसे भी आज इतनी कर रखी है प्रयागराज में, इतनी आज तक किसी ने नहीं की है। कोई भी प्रधानमंत्री इतने आके जालिए। धन्य है उनके माँ बाप, जैसे हमारे उन प्रधानमंत्री के माँ बाप को धन्य, बार बार प्रणाम। योगी जी की माँ बाप को बार बार प्रणाम, मोदी जी की माँ बाप को बार बार प्रणाम। अरे ऐसे प्रधानमंत्री,
भगवान की 2 लाइन सुना दीजिए,
प्रभु के जिस भजन में राम का नाम ना हो उस भजन को गाना ना चाहिए। जिस भजन में राम का नाम ना हो उस भजन को गाना ना चाहिए। चाहे बेटा कितना भी प्यारा हो उसे सिर पे बिठाना ना चाहिए। चाहे बेटा कितना प्यारा उसे सिर पे बिठाना ये, चाहे बेटी कितनी प्यारी हो उसे घर घर घुमाना ना ये। संसार रूस जा बेसकता भगवान रूसना ना चाहिए। ये संसार रूस जा बेसक तो संसार रूसना ना ये। संसार भुला दो बेसक मोदी को बुलाना ना चाहिए। संसार भूल बेशक से योगी को बुलाना चाहिए। चाहे घर में कितना काम हो पर परियाग आना जी।
Thank you for getting us all those voices. It's very clear that this once in a 144-year event, you know, has brought out the spirituality that we see today through all those voices and you know, the ragas that are being sung around you. Thank you so much for getting us all of those inputs. I want to quickly take in a word from Amit Singh as well before we go across to more on what really transpired earlier today. Amit, और जानकारी दीजिए, हमें ये भी बताया जा रहा है कि थोड़ी देर में पुलिस एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करेगी।
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल। मेला अधिकारी के जो सीईओ हैं विजय किरण आनंद, यानी महाकुंभ के जो सबसे बड़े अधिकारी हैं विजय किरण आनंद, और उनके साथ डीआईजी महाकुंभ वैभव कृष्णन, वो दोनों प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करने वाले हैं और थोड़ी देर के अंदर वो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस शुरू हो जाएगा। मैं आपको तस्वीरें जरा यहाँ पर दिखा देता हूँ। मंच पूरी तरीके से तैयार कर लिया गया है। उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार के अधिकारी जो हैं वो यहाँ पर पहुँच चुके हैं और देखिए यहाँ पर पूरी तैयारी यहाँ पर कर ली गई है। तो जाहिर तौर पे जो एग्जैक्ट फिगर कि कितने लोग घायल हैं उसका एग्जैक्ट फिगर यहाँ से निकल कर सामने आ जाएगा, और मौत हुई है तो कितनों की मौत हुई है वो भी एग्जैक्ट फिगर थोड़ी देर में ऐसा लग रहा है कि यहाँ से निकल कर आ जाएगा। और शायद इसी वजह से कि यह हादसा कैसे हुआ, क्या हुआ, हालांकि मुख्यमंत्री योगी आदित्यनाथ ने आज दोपहर में ही सुबह ही उन्होंने अपना बयान जारी करके संक्षेप में बता दिया था कि किस तरीके से वहाँ पर क्या मामला हुआ और किस तरीके से हादसा हुआ था। लेकिन डिटेल में दोनों अधिकारी, क्योंकि वैभव कृष्णन पुलिस की जिम्मेदारी थी उनकी, महाकुंभ नगर में पुलिस की जितनी भी डिप्लॉयमेंट है, पैरामिलिट्री फोर्सेस की जो डिप्लॉयमेंट थी वो वैभव कृष्णन देख रहे थे। तो वहीं मेला अधिकारी यानी जो 10 जिला अधिकारी बनाए गए थे महाकुंभ नगर के लिए, मेला अधिकारी विजय किरण आनंद के अंडर ये 10 जिला अधिकारी थे जो कि क्राउड मैनेजमेंट का काम कर रहे थे। तो जाहिर तौर पे ये दोनों परफेक्ट अधिकारी हैं जो पूरा बता पाएंगे किस तरीके से यह हादसा हुआ है, कितने लोग जख्मी हुए तो किसे कहाँ लेकर जाया गया, किस तरीके से अगर मौत हुई है तो आंकड़ा क्या है, ये तमाम चीज़ों से पर्दा थोड़ी देर में उठ सकता है क्योंकि प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की तैयारी हो चुकी है।
जी अमित, थोड़ी देर में ये प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस होगी और हम आपके पास फिर से आएंगे क्योंकि दोज डिटेल्स, दैट फिगर, दैट एक्सप्लेनेशन दैट कम्स इन फ्रॉम द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इज गोइंग टू बी द ऑफिशियल वर्जन दैट वी वांट टू break down for our viewers as well. But thank you so much, Amit. We'll come back to you. Let's also talk about the kind of numbers and the turnout that we're seeing. Mahakumbh 2025. The Mahakumbh Mela has drawn millions of devotees seeking spiritual purification through holy dips at Triveni Sangam across 45 days, viewers. The number of pilgrims participating in the sacred bath on key dates has been staggering according to news reports. And this is the data that we've managed to collect. Look at the spike in number of devotees. 14 Jan, 3.5 crore was the turnout. 17 Jan rose to 7 crore. 20th Jan, 8.8 crore. 21st Jan, 9.2 crore devotees had already taken a holy dip in Prayagraj at Mahakumbh. 23rd Jan, 10 crore. And look at this, from 23rd to 28th, we see a jump of 10 crore pilgrims. And just today, remember, our reporters on ground have been telling us that that number has swelled up to 26 crore because 6 crore devotees just today have taken the holy dip at Triveni Sangam or the other ghats there in Prayagraj on this very, very auspicious day. So yes, given these numbers, managing the crowd at Mahakumbh Mela is definitely going to be a monumental challenge for the administration. Let's take you to the several factors that make this year's crowd control particularly different. This year, the Mela could see an unprecedented turnout of up to 45 crore devotees, which remember is double the past figures, which makes crowd management very, very complex. The once in 144 years Mahakumbh claim further draws global pilgrims, intensifying logistical demands as well. Preventing stampedes, managing law and order and ensuring the safety of pilgrims amid such large congregations is indeed a monumental task. And do remember, AI, crowd analytics are all being used, but real-time management faces a different challenge with accuracy, privacy and reliability as well. More ghats, parking and facilities are all added. We've seen all of that through our ground reports, but managing them for a larger crowd also becomes a major task. And while the holy dip has resumed, the focus remains on providing assistance to the affected families and ensuring the safety of the remaining pilgrims. The tragedy at Kumbh has left the nation grieving. It's also strengthened calls for better safety protocols at future large religious gatherings. Let's take you through some of the steps which have been undertaken. To streamline the massive task of managing the event, 10 district magistrates have been appointed, each responsible for overseeing specific aspects of Mahakumbh. The second big step that's been taken to control the flow of pilgrims into Prayagraj and avoid overcrowding, the entry of devotees into the city has also been regulated by the officials. Further, to reduce the risk of congestion and to ensure smooth movement of the devotees, authorities have separated the entry and the exit routes for the pilgrims. And in order to communicate effectively with the massive crowd, announcement booths have also been set up at strategic locations throughout the Kumbh Mela area. These booths help provide real-time updates on crowd movement, safety protocols, emergency procedures, ensuring that all pilgrims are informed and can follow necessary instructions during the Mela. To handle any emerging crisis and respond to real-time developments, a war room has also been established where the Chief Minister and other top officials closely monitor the situation personally. So all of these measures have indeed been taken up, steps to ensure there is better effective communication and security apparatus in place, and yet we've seen a stampede-like situation. So what really led to the stampede, and are there any signs that we need to watch out for, given that there are other Amrit Snans that are to take place in days to come? We'll talk about that and try and go across to our reporters, and we'll cut across to that all-important press conference in just a bit. But here's what the Prime Minister and the Chief Minister have said so far about the stampede.
कुंभ में जो दुखद हादसा हुआ है, मैं प्रभावित परिवारों के प्रति संवेदना व्यक्त करता हूं और घायलों के जल्द स्वस्थ होने की कामना करता हूं। मैं यूपी सरकार के साथ निरंतर संपर्क में हूं।
ये जो भारी दबाव श्रद्धालुजनों के कारण और श्रद्धालुओं के संगम नोच पर जाने के कारण वहाँ पर एक बना हुआ है, लेकिन पूरा प्रशासन मौके पे वहाँ मौजूद है। कुछ श्रद्धालु गंभीर रूप से घायल हुए हैं, उन्हें तत्काल हॉस्पिटल में पहुँचा करके उपचार आदि की व्यवस्था उनके लिए की गई है। लगभग 4 बार प्रधानमंत्री जी ने हालचाल लिया है। माननीय गृह मंत्री जी ने, माननीय राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष भारतीय जनता पार्टी श्री जेपी नड्डा जी ने, माननीय गृह मंत्री श्री अमित शाह जी ने भी, और प्रदेश की माननीय राज्यपाल श्रीमती आनंदीबेन पटेल जी ने भी लगातार जानकारी लेकर के सभी के कुशल क्षेम और सकुशल स्नान कराने के बारे में निरंतर रिपोर्ट ले रहे हैं। लगभग 5.5 करोड़ श्रद्धालु कल महाकुंभ का स्नान किए हैं और आज प्रातःकाल तक लगभग 8:30 बजे तक 3 करोड़ से अधिक श्रद्धालु स्नान कर चुके हैं और ये लगातार जारी है। लेकिन संगम नोच पर, अखाड़ा मार्ग पर, नागवासुकी मार्ग पर लगातार दबाव बना हुआ है और वहाँ पर श्रद्धालुजनों की सुविधा के लिए भी हर प्रकार की वहाँ पर प्रशासन पूरी मुस्तैदी के साथ लगा हुआ है। और इसीलिए मेरी अपील है पूरे प्रदेशवासियों से, पूरे देशवासियों से और सभी श्रद्धालुओं से भी, सभी पूज्य संतों से भी, कि अफवाह पर कोई ध्यान न दें।